So once you've got your bracket loosened off with the set screw, you can push it out just a little bit. That way you got a little bit of wiggle room here. And I want you to take off these two screws from the end of this motor. This motor's a little bit different. This is our new style. And it's just a little bit different. Alright. Because with this one here, it's got little tabs on it. But we can pull this out just the same way. See how that's working out? I'm going to feed these through. And I have my motor out. Just like that. Okay. Now these are two different styles of motors. However, they mount the exact same. Okay. So now we're going to put our new motor in. What you're going to do is notice these keys and these teeth, and there's a wide spot in this key right here. I want you to focus on that as you put this in. And then again, on the collar can compress. I want you to line up where it compresses in that same wide spot you was focusing on just a second ago. Push it in there just like that, and it'll go right off in there. Now we just got to put our wires back in. So I've got the wires fed back through. I just want to make sure that I get these 4 knobs to fit in these outside holes here. And my bracket's nice and loose, so I'm not going to be pinching my wires. But as you can see, those knobs are coming back out through the outside of those holes. So now I'm going to put the screws back in the holes to keep the motor attached to the bracket. You don't want to tighten them too tight. It's just plastic, you'll strip it out. Okay. Last thing you want to do is tighten your set screw back up. You want to put it right back where it was.